What's up, YouTube? This is Double Up with Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Just wanted to hop back on camera to show you a tutorial on the Textbot AI, and I wanted to show you some of the features here which you can use with Textbot AI. So if you ask yourself, what is Textbot AI? For all you marketers that's out there, and you want to find one way to be able to run your business with SMS marketing, that's what comes with Textbot AI, where it's a text messaging platform and it has an automatic virtual assistant with the name of Ava. And Ava is your virtual robot that does all the selling and telling for you. She's the one that she gets rid of all the tire kickers, all the people that's not serious about their business. She's wavered all through them, and she pretty much get the job done and close your sale. So I'm gonna show you here in the back office what to see Ava goes to work, and show you what type of features that she has. You see, every time you have someone that gets into your funnel, they will be located here on the left hand side, and Ava will do all the conversation for you. So whatever words that you have, whatever keywords you have, she can be programmed to say or show your opportunity to your leads. So your leads can be able to see what type of products or promotion that you serving to them, and they can see the opportunity. So going here, this is all with Ava Basic, and with Ava Basic, once you sign up with Textbot AI, you're going to be assigned a number. This right here is the number that you're going to be assigned to. Now everybody has their own assigned number. Right on the other side these are the text credits. So you have text credit usage for receiving and sending. So you buy your packages on the right side. Right here back on the left side is your text link. This is the link that you're going to share and put on different social media platforms, so people can click on that and to get them to the sales presentation. So it's two different ways that you can use to promote this system. The first way is sharing this number. You can share it on Instagram, you can share it on Craigslist, you can share it on TikTok. All those different types of platforms you can share that number to. And once that they call or text that number, Ava will take over and she'll guide your prospects straight through. So this is where your leads go at. So you can follow up whatever leads that comes through your funnel. You can follow up with these leads. Okay. This is your settings tab. This is where your phone number. This is where also Ava can also follow up after 24 hours of your lead comes through. She could follow up with them whatever you have set in the settings. So that's a very, very cool feature. You also have Ava Plus. Now with Ava Plus, you get to choose up to 20 different 10 different text bots. You can have 10 different numbers. So that's very, very powerful. So if you have a different opportunities for each, you can assign that opportunity with that number. So that's very, very powerful. Also, you have the broadcaster. Now this is all with the Ava Plus. If you're an Ava Plus member, you get to get the broadcaster. You can set whatever broadcast to whatever leads that you have come through. You can also set the schedule for those leads to be contacted. So they tell you make sure that you send your contact email text blasts a little bit before 8 o'clock, and it starts at 9 because they don't want you to be spamming people late at night, where people could be sleeping, you don't know what's going on. They don't want you to spam that broadcaster. So make sure that you use that text blast in between those times that they got scheduled for you. But this is the instant broadcast, and you can set up what types of links, what types of lists that you got, whether they in the back on the dashboard. You could, you could give them text blasts with that. You also have the resellers, where you get all your links, your presentation leads. You get a Facebook group. You get resources like, you know, certain text ads that you can post. And you get also email swipes. So you get all these different resources to help you. And also you can see these videos, you know, you can see testimonial videos that people that have been successful with the business. And you also have the Textbot proof group. I'm going to show you back here where people on the proof group, you can see where everybody get their results. And everybody that joined this platform joined this proof group. You can see everybody posted their results on, people bringing people part of the team. You can see right here, people getting paid straight to their Cash app. You get paid straight to your Google Pay. You know, all these different types of payment methods you get to receive and pay. So you can get started with Ava with, it went to $150 to get started. Very, very, very reasonable. Now, if you want to get started with Ava Plus, that will be a one-time $500, and you must do it within 24 hours of purchasing Ava Basic to get that $500. Now, if you don't get past that 24-hour period, it will boost up to $750. So you want to make sure, if you do want to choose to get into Ava Basic, make sure when you purchase Ava Basic, you're going to go ahead and purchase Ava Plus so that you can have that $500 going, you know, and you don't have to worry about paying that additional fee. So that's pretty much it for you guys today with the Textbot AI. I just wanted to give y'all a little brief tutorial and show y'all in the back office what this SMS platform is capable of doing, and it helped me tremendously to push out all my other opportunities and help me use everything on the back end. This is very, very helpful. The link in the description if you'd like to get started with me today, it will be below. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and click on that notification bell for any upcoming videos, strategies that I may have for you guys. Make sure if you have any questions or concerns or the opportunities that I'm giving, you can also DM me on Facebook, and I'll make sure that I get in contact with you guys. I'm always here to help. Once again, that's 00 with Astro. I see you guys on the next video. Peace.